What's going on, everyone? 2023 Bowman Sapphire 2-box random team number 15. Got 28 spots. Combo spots are Oakland with the Cardinals and the White Sox in Houston. Gonna run each list 7 times. 7 on the dice. Here's the teams. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Seven times on the names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. They add the combos and get this alphabetized for you guys. All right, good luck, everyone. All right, 2 boxes. Dash, who are you on? The Reds? Getting the team is only half the battle, my friend. Only half the battle. All right, I think Blaz is due for another 101 out of this stuff. Yes, I did. I haven't hit a junior auto since I pulled those 2 in the 5-boxer. Is the funny part.
You just turn the lights off.
Yeah.
So,
Erica, stop. Get out of here. You're so annoying. Got an orange of Gabriel Gonzalez to 50. Matt Mervis. Angel Janau to 55. Green is Brady House to 60. And it looks like we have a green auto coming up. Good luck on the green auto. It is Andres Mesa going out to the Rangers. Chasing breaks. Yes, exactly. The Complain Mojo. All right, we got an Aqua Auto. 2 colored autos out of here. Orange is Team Color Match Kevin Parada to 50 for the Mets. Ronnie Simone, 13 of 55 on the first Aqua. Second one, we'll have an auto. It's right here. Save it for the back. Green is Marco Luciano, 11 of 60. Jacob Berry. And the last auto is nice for the Phils. How You Lee, 45 of 99. Andrew, nice hit. Recap it. You can't force it. It has to be organic. Lee to 99 and Mesa to 50. That's the break. Thank you.